Sharon Dudley here, North Beach Realty. I am here at the Hippie Hen House. We're going to a restaurant here and try it out. We've never been here before in Murrells Inlet. So let's go in and check it out and see how the food is. Well guys, that was a really good meal. The owners are actually from Maryland, so they had the best crab cakes. If you're looking for a good crab cake, you definitely want to stop by and check them out here at the Hippie Hen House and in Murrells Inlet. Guys, thanks for watching another video of mine, and if you like any information on anything on the Grand Strand here, give me a call, 843-231-4825, or you can check out my website at sharonsshorething.com. Guys, have a great week. Talk to you soon.